Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Nyotrap Youth Council Sengkme hakakhat santarik unai tung arajar apusan kalalit banpa Khang ya kawai ke Jaka Pynïeng kali Dhanketi persya bat ka hospital Wudden Shillong namar kila yo ki ujor na ki babon ki patba bagatai ke Jaka Pynïeng kali ya ka balatip kum ka parkium INC parking kalashim dakador ka bakham he bat ka balapin pher na ki wai ki Jaka Pynïeng kali ha Shillong kata kashim hakador Henry pusanding ka Henry pau minute kali saw shaka bat lai pau tingka Henry pau minute yaki ar shaka na kalyang kaseng hakane kasi kalalit pha Khang bat kalali yakandu yautrai katei ka parking bat dawa ban penhiar yakador namar kabu jing ekipat ba bawan Pynïeng kali bat khamtam yakipat ba bawan sumar ne bawan pet nongpang Woodland Hospital haba kaseng kepersyang banyakren bat utrai katei ka parking kilapani kikot kisla bat kilala bauni utrai kani ka Jaka Pynïeng kali ulayo ka jingbet kani ka NOC nagador barshnong malki Henry kabalapalong ya kaseng ban pha Khang shwai kani ka Jaka Ïeng kali kadai namar bakim pat don ya ka trading license kumta kaseng kalamaham kani ka Jaka Ïeng kali kahap ban pen Biang shwai kikot kisla bat penduna shwai ya kador kinsala man ple Biang
You came very politely. Don't try to show everything to us. We came not for our self-interest. This is for the public interest. Okay, public interest for the public benefit.
We can come to some conclusion.
Yeah, we can talk and come to some conclusion.
Talk like gentlemen and come to
Yeah.
a conclusion.
Yeah. So
Then you are not willing to.
Oh, we will.
When we discuss about the rate, you told that you are not willing to reduce it.
we will improve.
Did I say I am not reduced?
No, you.
I said-
At first you told no.
I said-
And initially you told us that
I
this
told
is
it is
my
private.
private property. I can charge
No.
how much I want.
Yeah. I
That is
said
not
it
we
is
talk
private.
about. We can't tolerate
You
it.
cannot compare with government rate.
Yeah, we can't compare with government rate, but we can compare you along with the other private individual.
Yeah, we can
Okay,
talk.
who operate
We can
in
talk
their
about
own
it.
property.
We can talk
That
about
is
it.
our.
So we can talk about this.
We can talk about it
You
nicely.
are in a position to close it. That's enough to do.
No, but you will collect today. How much you collect today? Tell us.
I don't know how many vehicles.
Then
will come.
how much you collect the same rate, right?
Rate is there. It's printed
So you will
out.
collect that same rate only. You tell us first. You
What
will
you
collect
want?
the same rate or you will
So what
reduce?
rate you want?
What rate
You
you want?
collect the rate which other private individual are collecting.
What are the rates?
You go and check from Anderson, okay? Anderson and that Eugene, and even that in Broadway, they are collecting for 4-wheelers 30 rupees, for 2-wheelers 10 rupees. After
And do they give so much facility?
what?
This facility which we are providing, are they giving that?
Yeah, they are maintaining. They are employing 7-8 staff.
We
You
have
look
also
after
employed.
the vehicles,
We have also
safety of the
employed from the
vehicles.
locality only. We have not set other people.
After.
We have not kept us.
No. That's another matter. Our concern is about the rate. We are not talking
Okay.
about who you recruit or who you don't recruit.
No, definitely, we try to include.
But our concern is about the general
Okay.
public interest, about the public
Agree.
benefit. Okay, see, those who came and parked the vehicle here, okay, yeah,
We are
mostly they
talking
are usually
about
one who are visiting the Woodland Hospital.
We are talking about rates. You want us to reduce it? That's it.
Reduce the rate.
But it's
How much?
One is the rate and the other one is your training license. You haven't
Yeah,
got your license.
yeah, training license. So,
Until
yeah,
unless
without
you get the
training
training
license, how can you
license.
function? Yeah, how can you function? That is
Should be
another
no
subject.
lah,
We have already.
No. Everyone non-tribal, they abide. Okay, by the rule of then you show us a training license. If
We
you
have
are
not
abiding,
been
if you claim that you abide, okay, by the rule of the
Okay,
district
one
council, you
thing-
show us a training license. If you don't,
First
you have to
First you are
shut up.
saying
See, you
about-
don't have time to talk. Okay, everyone who are who maintain, okay, yeah, private. Even like it's also private. You have to obtain the training license from the district council.
Yeah, we have.
Then you show that you are for a specific purpose for operating. No, you show us. Abi training license ni, bantang na.
Aduh mana melakukan pembahaya itu kador. Aduh melakukan.
CCTV ko install ra ni. Ano CCTV hani le dan kayu le kamera.
Itu dia cakap
See outside all
And there's the monitoring.
We see
It's
the
recording in the camera.
sudah kalau tu kata
And the toilet
Cakap lu cakap
facilities installed. It is
Tanpa
clean,
patut
hygienic.
itu.
You should maintain clean and hygienic. Ini baru salah lah.
Khang,
Kedeng lesson, kedeng lesson.
Oh, Syam.
Operating ni lah. See, you are bypassing the trading license, trading. That's one parking lot which is maintained by private individual over there in Lanka. That should be charged 30 rupees. The parking lot in Anderson also 30 rupees. Yeah, in Broadway also if you go and park opposite Broadway, they charge 30 rupees. Two wheelers only 10 rupees per hour. No, yeah, you have applied, but you should have first. No, you should not pay first before operating. Because we are charging very high. Other private entities who are operating this parking lot, they usually charge about
whatever
30
they
or
charge,
40, but this
indeed.
they have
but
charging
there is no
65.
such rule laid down.
No, but you should abide. No, other private entities they are charging 30 rupees.
Okay.
And you are a non-tribal. Okay, you should have the trading license. And under the trading license, the terms and conditions can be laid down over there.
Yeah. So Darbar should have told us.
No, that is still work. No, it's
Yeah,
not
so
our work.
the Darbar should have told us if it is safe.
You have obtained the NOC from the national.
Of course.
Show
How can
us
we can
the NOC.
So, yeah, district consumer you apply kariye.
You should NOC also from the national.
तो लोग अभी तो इशू कर रहे को नहीं है ना तो बोला सिर्फ तो देश इशू नहीं किया ना तो अभी तो इशू नहीं कर
ये तो
रहा
commercial है ना,
हाँ।
commercial establishment. तो बिना trading license के साथ हम लोग operate.
अभी तो अभी अप्लाई किया सर उसको तो अभी
पहला
तो नहीं मिला नहीं ना सर नहीं मिला
जब नहीं मिला ये दुकान खुला नहीं होगा
Please, you shut down first this one.
अभी
Until
तो-
you drop the rate now, you shut down first. We have to shut down first. Yes.
अभी तो पुराना को भी नहीं दे रहा सर
We can allow you to operate after to the national. They will cancel the NOC. I told them, I've instructed them to cancel the NOC. This fall under the jurisdiction of the Marquido Barcelona. You should discuss with them with the rate to be imposed, no? To be collected.
That's why they give you.
Yeah, but you didn't mention the rate. You just told them you just apply for the NOC. But you didn't mention them about the rate.
Help of yours. This HYC members have come. So they are
Halo. Ôi, ini mana nak HPC mah? Ni. Ni bercelah deh. Tapi bila ai di tengah sama mati deh. Tapi bila ai anu si anu tukar. Hah? Tapi bila ai deh. Te ani akan mention akan ni anda unsur mana kari anu deh gak apa parking. Tak, di sini mah. Dia mentah keting lesan umdan, keting lesan. Dia cũng được cái dụng pin thì là sai đấy cái. Chúng ta không để thì nên
Pak, Pak, halo. Kerana mengai education secretary jangka sangkni mah mengabat mah. Pet ngilap hang ni nama ba uni bar jalarai. Hai kariet hai kidan ki private individual ki ba operate ya kan ki parking lot dai. Apa silong ya. Dari pet jong ba Eugene ro kata jong ba Anderson nantai kata 3 persapra duwe kini ki collect ka fees ai ka bolong very lester. So uni yang ni buat hantu ni pilih dai nai phok ka si kenta ba ki charge. Dekat skuter dah pilih do si phok ka ba. Apo Broadway ro kentai ka jo. Tahu uni apa hang ni semua dunia phok ka. Ta plus ka trading license umdan. Kalau apply sok trading license ni ngilang swapan yo ek license ni ngilang approach ka district council dah. Mungkin dia kata macam condition bom day ben impose pelat bulan ni ben collect pelat ya career ka bumi hak show. Marhafis to ba ani bubon di mo dong ibawan pak ni kita buan pet yang pang bon sumar bopli mo Andre ka charge can be nyo po ka si kita ka bumi hap kan em ni su thua em kata papi kani ka kita ka interest ng public ka muni pat nomor kani kalong daily business we kita ga udah kita showroom ho kita di daily beri we bahan muni pat tiban ta namata ka emergency ka kam emergency ta
मेरे हस्बैंड को भी सफोकेशन होता है, डायबिटिक, इज डायबिटिक, इज डायबिटिक, इज एपिलेप्टिक, प्लीज प्लीज please let him come out, please let him come out, let him come out, please, he will come out, he will come out, please come out, आ जाओ ना प्लीज, ये फोर्स नहीं कर रहे हैं, आ जाओ, आ जाइए ना, आ जाइए, आ जाइए, आ जाइए, आ जाइए, आ जाइए।
Nakaliang juga Lutrap Youth Council Sangkme kena minta kasi nila wan ban belong ya ka juwan mi akne ka parking lot bala operate bat punya duwe padubar jela uba di try kini ya kene ka Jaka mo ka juwan mi jungi jong kaseng kene kasi kalong bangiliyo ka jung juar sibon naki nong wan bu iki kalihan ni iki nong wan pa iki kalihan ni kamtam iki balik ban le dongkam hapo kani ka hospital kajungwan kajungi berkajung pelong ya kaseng berwan mi ni mang taksi ber kamtam ya bangin khang khadap shoy kani ka jung penyat kani ka parking lot kani ka office kani ka parking lot ni kalong ba yo kajung juar ba kani ka parking lot hani bal penyat ini bar jela kalau shim ka dor ka bala palat put ka bumi hak show bat kiwi parking lot ki ba penyat dikir shmet kajung lot jo kaseng ni kumba phiru ki media pla sakhi ba kajung khong hani hakani ka parking lot ki kali sau sakala khong aru nya photeng ka bat ki kali ar saka lai pola ni support kan dengan ladang bakala wah marhani ke thwa kai kali sau saka lai po tengka ya ki arsaka but 100% tengka 100% hanya po approximate kan debing 100% tengka ya ki sau saka i hakajung syam ko jungi nak liang kesang ho ki dan ki riu shimat ki punya ki parking lot haki Jaka bo per kadan jung hakade Jaka jung ba Ïeng kadan jung ba Anderson angkai kadan hati apo pibiro kini ki Jaka dari milik tempat untuk ki shim lai po tengka ya ki kali shimat mo sikenta ya ki skuti ki shim tang po tengka reka balingo apa ka besung kendit kalang ba uni ubar jela ba punya ni ka parking lot hang dia po Dhanketi kan ba udai ka bedai ka petrol rem ba sama petrol pemberem usema ya karir ka belong nya po tengka kani kala kata sisa ya ki pardo persam jungi marin sto ba ki pardo persam jungi subu ki bawan dong kam hakini ki hospital ma kamtan tip ki dei ba wandong kam hangi rela kishim hadu keluar nya po tengka na bilang keseng jumlah pilihan kedan ka urban parking policy ya ka ba ka government kan sa pentrikam nadu sitrik wat kane karido nakalen government kala bu sapo tengka hangi suntu apa kane ka private property mah ngini ma ban tukelar tan ya ka kari ndrai Ni orang pat uba kata ka jing kolek ka jung hadu nyop photong ka bomla ban Pynïeng. Kol ada kolek Pynïeng lai phosa photong ka kata kaya lah ka jong mar bawa kedai private property ni mla tan ban tuklar. Rai ban kolek pat hadu kata ka dor ka bala kata sai pa bat na kalian keseng ni mla ban Pynïeng kata kerit. Bat na kalian keseng ka ba habang giwan ban keli ya kini kerit. Ka ba kendit ini kalau ba uni par sila umdan du wat dia ka trading license. Moh man apply. Kani kadai ni di mesti usah kani kadai commercial establishment. Ya soban operate kanu commercial establishment do non tribal do kam apkin saya kata trading license naka district council mereka taruh umban banyak kali ke nusi nakal do barsong malki kala pedi berkelai dosi nyelioro kumba pilasa ki nyelioro banyak keren bat do barsong ka bede bat kedua dan nakal kesnong kalau ang ba kamla bat tukla de kata kedua mah bede bat kejulun parking rai nyilai keren ban ni nakal jo kasang isa pa ya kata ka representation wah Shaka do barsong malki ban kadai ban bu ek takarit ba uni bar jala ba penya ikni ka parking lot hani undi ban krong palat put de ban krong e takador ka ba ya habat ke jumutai nam tau ba kam dei ba nong hoj kam dei ban long bat ba kani ka parking lot kan su pelang ye u kum kata jaka kamai spa mo da ba krong ba khnep ba anji ba tan kalian kesang yam ta sport bat mentam bat harum da yo ek teringasan gila nin thang khadap soy kani ka parking lot ni saru ban krong kini kali buat pak ne ban haru ba uni par jalan pempet soy taka duar jongka parking lot bat haru ro ban da yo ek tak teringasan